Hello, I'm Steve Diltz with Encoder Products Company. In this video, we'll review the key features and benefits of the Model 58TP, EPC's newest programmable incremental through-bore encoder. The 58TP features a compact all-metal 58mm diameter through-bore housing. Bore adapter sizes range from 1/4 to 5/8 inch diameter, and you can choose from a variety of anti-rotation flex mounts and 7 connector options. For maximum application versatility, the resolution, output type, index pulse, and waveform all can be quickly and easily programmed to meet your exact requirements. Simply install EPC's software on a compatible Windows PC, laptop, or tablet. Connect the adapter cable to the encoder and the field programming module to a USB port. With the easy-to-use interface, you can select any resolution from 1 to 65,536 CPR. You can choose from multiple output types and up to 32 different waveforms. The unit is also available pre-programmed at the factory with fixed attributes. With 2.7 MHz maximum frequency, -40 to 100 C operating temperature, an optional shaft seal, and rugged all-metal construction, the Model 58TP is ready for the most demanding industrial operating environments. It's ideal for motor control, material handling, processing machinery, and mobile equipment, anywhere shaft-mounted rotary encoder feedback is required. For more information about the Model 58TP and EPC's other encoder solutions, visit encoder.com.